Hey guys, it's Jim Bounds at Motor Home Rehab Ranch, and this is the episode where we tore this dash up. We're putting in a mag dash. All right, as you see here, the dash itself is out of the way. You do what you got to do. Now, come on in here. This is the original harness coming out of the coach, right here. Connecting to here, it goes to this connector. This connector plugs in to the low fuel circuit. Okay. Now, this, see here, this harness is the factory harness coming into wiring. These orange wires are the battery boost circuit. These wires, well, that's the wires to the low fuel or the fuel select. This harness here goes to the cluster where the instrument cluster is. And you can see these wires right here are oil, water, illumination. The pink with the black in your dash will be power. Okay, so this hooks up, comes into here, and this harness plugs in, I'll show you in just a second, into the Mac dash. This is one of the harnesses to the Mac dash. This is the other harness to the Mac dash. And they all come in here. Over here is the original harness for the speedometer, which has left and right illumination in here. Over here, this is your headlight switch. You can see that's the connector. This thing has an ICC flash. These two blue wires. You cut the blue wire, you hook the two blue wires in. Everything, as you see, is color to color. Pink, black, pink to black. Green to green, green is water. Blue is oil. Light gray is illumination. This is the brake light. So they come into the new harness here to go into the Mac dash. These wires, tack, original dash didn't have a tack. Original dash did not have a low oil light. Original dash did not have a transmission temp light or gauge, and it did not have an air compressor light when the air compressor is on. So these wires will be connected with a separate harness that will add to the harness. All right, let me hold this. Can you hand me the big cluster? Yeah. What he's doing, let me get over here and show you. You see, he's got the dash. There's the Mac dash right there, and that plate got 4 screws, and then it plugs in. So hang a second. We're going to get those wires out. There are 3 basic panels in this dash. One is the main panel. One is the left panel, which he'll get that out while we're doing this. And one is the right panel. The left panel has in it your headlight switch, reset for the GPS speedometer. I can't see it. I think the boost circuit's over there. And here's the main harness. There we go. All right. So as you see, this thing is complete. Yeah, hand me that, and you take this. All right. And you look at the back of this baby. This is some of Mac's beautiful wiring. Just really, really nice. You say it's color to color. Here's the 2 harnesses. So watch. So here I'm sitting in here. Here's the harness. So you plug that one in. You plug this one in. The dash is now connected. And what's connected? Oil, volt, fuel. Speedometer is GPS driven. Has a little sender here you put behind the dash. Tack. Turbo boost. Oh, that's cool. This has a diesel in it. transmission temp, and water temp. All connected fly-by-wire through a harness. Nice and neat, ordered. So there it is. You want to take it out, get it out of the way so you don't mess it up. There you go. Oh, yeah, set that over there.